Huples cat, just a quick one. I wonder if anybody can tell me what this is for. It's Ruffino, and it is old, probably at least 20 to 40 years. It is made of a type of plastic, and I believe Ruffino is a wine distillery. When I open it up, what I get is 3 sections of pipe and a small pipe cleaner. So this is obviously expected to drain stuff, and you push this in like this, clean it out, and it goes together like this. Now this is actually pretty useful for me as a fire implement, because when you've got a small ember or whatever in the fire and you're trying to get a decent flame on it, you can use it as to get into the flame, to get the flame going. It also can be used as a straw. But I'm puzzled. Does anybody know what on earth this is actually supposed to be for? I've tried a somewhat exhaustive 3-minute search on Ecosia, the search engine I use. Can't come up with it. So I'd be grateful. What on earth is this? What's it for? Anybody know? Let me know. And I will be forever in your debt. Like I say, it's kind of... The plastic, I think, is an old type of kind of Bakelite type plastic. This will be at least 10 years old, but it could be even in the 60 to 70 year old range. And Ruffino may not have anything to do with the winery. Don't know. Something to do with wine findings, like taking out the bottom of wine. I don't know. Let me know. Doodles. This video has been brought to you by an Arctic Terrier production 2022.